Welcome back to another YouTube video. Like, subscribe, and post notification. Tape 2. So here's like packs of like plastic like paper, and here's like the little box that I built in like the last one, but the last clip didn't like really work. It goes like this. I think it's pretty neat. See you guys back in like when I have all these opened. Oh, this one's different. This one has like stickers in it. We got Pikachu. We got Oshawott, T-Pig, and a Sneezy. These are like stickers. That's cool. Let's get into the packs. We got 6 packs right here. Let's get into it. There's a card trick to this. So the hollow will be in the front, so one to the back. We got Sneevil. Look at the nice little like 25th anniversary. Croucher, Totodile, and a Score Bunny. That one's cool. I'm just leaving it up since these are like 25th anniversary. These do not open nice. I think yes, so that's blue, but still do it. Charmander, Snubbull, Rowlet, and Oshawott. I only have a couple see-through sleeves right now. These are like from like packs I've got like off of eBay that have cards inside of them. 4 packs to go. That one opened nice. We got Piplup, Surgical again, Oshawott, Surgical again. Sleeve that up. See you guys back when I have that sleeved. Okay, and we're back. Right. I'm just trying to hide it so you guys don't like see the card. Okay, one to the back. Let's do this. Bulbasaur, Piplup, Torchic. Hey, where's our hollow? Mudkip. Okay, we just got ripped off. Where's our hollow? What the heck? What? I don't like that. Does this one have? Okay, yeah, this next one does. Pikachu, Cyndaquil, Torchic, and a Snubbull. One pack. Let's see if this one actually gives us a hollow. No hollow again. What the heck? We're getting ripped off. Piplup, T-Pig, Chinchar, and a Litten. What the heck, dude? No hollow for 2 packs. That's stupid. My God. Like, subscribe, hit the post notification. Bye.